My name is Andrew. I'm the founder and CEO of Athena. My day job is I help make sure our customers get to success on AI search. My night job is I do the dishes, I clean out the trash, and I cook for the team. Sometimes, yeah. So, our team, we're very scientifically minded, and we like to treat this like a scientific process, right? We'll have a hypothesis, which is informed by customer conversations, and, for example, a sample hypothesis that we've been exploring is, what are the activation points within Athena? If we get customers to get to this point, what's the chance that they'll convert, or the chance that they'll, continue to find value in Athena and be able to get additional value? These are the questions. We have intuitions that we've developed just from being very close to our customers. But being able to test these hypotheses is where Julius comes in, and being able to analyze the data and test the hypothesis in a really rapid fashion is really valuable. Before we had to go pull an engineer into the room, and the engineer, would write a SQL, would analyze which tables to go into, write the SQL queries, figure out how to, merge the queries together, and that can get very gnarly, very, very fast. Now we can use natural language and have Julius not just, write the queries for us, but also explain the data to us, which in itself is also quite valuable. We have a couple of dimensions that we can look at Athena's data, right? There's the citations data, which is which websites are the AI models pulling from, or each of the AI models pulling from for each vertical, for which geographies, and which, you can drill down as deep as you want there. There's just so much data. It feels like, we're sitting on a lake, we're in a boat, we need a fishing rod to go fishing, and, Julius is that fishing rod, right?
I'm Renan. I'm the evangelist of Athena. Before, we were querying the database, like 7 million rows, was like crazy things, really slow. And when I saw like Supabase launching you can query and create a chart of this, I say, wow, awesome, my life is saved. But then again, I had to correlate those data points and was not really useful. And then I was going to ChatGPT to ask it to help me with a query and help me with the data. But the problem is that ChatGPT don't have the context of the database, and I can't ingest 7 million data rows from the table. And then when I start trying to use Julius, where I saw the value of it, because I could use a modern machine learning queries, give me the dotted vector or the cosine similarity or the regression, and Julius was clearly nailing it. I remember that for the first data correlations that I was using in other platforms, it took me the full day to plot some simple charts and having to correlate the data by myself. But with Julius, it took me 1 hour or less to build the same charts and correlate this data and guide me with an answer based on the data.